MacBook Pro A1278 2012 old model, and very interesting case study. I am starting to repair this laptop from morning 10:30, and now see the timing. It's 4:45. Almost taken 5 hours to repair this, because in this board there is multiple issues. No power. We replace the SMC. See, there is SMC. We replace SMC for no power. This is SMC. After replacing SMC, there is no power on, and only 330 amp, unable to display. Then we reprogram the BIOS. See, there is BIOS also. And after reprogramming the BIOS, display is coming but no backlight. There is a backlight issue. And after that issue, we have to replace this backlight IC also. This is a tiny IC, backlight IC. See, 25 leg IC, board IC. And after backlight replacement, display is coming. We replace this board, repair this board. See, backlight also coming, display also coming. There is a multiple issue in this board. These types of multiple issue take time to repair, but we repair because we are expert, and expert name is enough. Thank you.